Woke up to silence, no hum from the fridge. Lights flickered once, then went dark as night. Outside the window, the world's painted white. Drifts piling higher than the roof line tonight. They said 45 inches, and brother, they weren't lying. March came roaring in like it forgot to say goodbye. Lake Superior's howling, 30-foot waves crashing high, while I'm stuck here praying the generator don't die. Oh, the wind's blowing hurricane, tearing at the pine, snow's burying the pickup right up to the signs. Power's out from Newberry to the Onondaga shore. Just me and the wood stove and the ghosts I ignore. 45 inches felt like judging from the sky. Lakes raging, mad waves touching the clouds up high. But I'm still here standing, coffee cold in my hand. 'Cause a yooper don't break, we just weather the land. Neighbor's truck's buried, can't even see the hood. Tried calling for help, but the lines are no good. Candles flickering, shadows on the cabin wall. Listening to the gusts like a lonesome wolf call. Heard the big lake moaning, 30 feet of fury and foam. Eating at the cliffs like it's claiming its home. Wings screaming, 80 flipping four-wheel drives. But the old wood stove's glowing, keeping us alive. Oh, the wind's blowing hurricane, tearing at the pine, snow's burying the pickup right up to the signs. Power's out from Newberry to the Onondaga shore. Just me and the wood stove and the ghosts I ignore. 45 inches felt like judging from the sky. Lakes raging, mad waves touching the clouds up high. But I'm still here standing, coffee cold in my hand. 'Cause a yooper don't break, we just weather the land. They'll write about this one in the paper someday. March 26th blizzard, the storm that wouldn't go away. Kids will talk about how the lights went dark for days, and how we shoveled tunnels just to see the sun's rays. But tonight it's just me, the wind and the cold, sipping black coffee, feeling mighty old. Yeah, the wind's still howling, hurricane through the night. But the snow's slowing down, see a glimmer of light. 45 inches, Lord, what a hell of a fight. Lake Superior's coming, waves dropping from sight. Power might come back, roads might get plowed. But I'll remember this storm when I'm feeling too proud. 'Cause a yooper don't break, we just been with the land. And come spring we'll thaw with a beer in our hand. Yeah, 45 inches. And we're still here. That's the yooper for you.